This is Code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best you can. Oh, we are so ready. All right, challenge. Avoid the TNT to get the bird to the pig. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of TNT. Okay, so we have one block, yep, win run, and we're only supposed to use 6. I'm going to start throwing stuff down just to kind of get a feel. So it looks like 1, and then maybe this, and then this. Let me get those attached. And you can always be wrong in code. It's okay. I'm just testing stuff out. Boom. Okay, now what? Oh, like I just did. Okay, it's only up 1. And then east. Let's try 2 of these guys. East. And then east again. And then it looks like I need one more step. Is that enough though? And then pow. Okay, and then what do we do? Well, we have 5 out of 6 blocks used. Let's try to go south. This should work, but I'm going to show you an easier way too. Quapow! Alright, let's show you the easier way. So notice in code, when you repeat yourself, there might be an easier way. East, 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 3 different times. If you're putting something down 3 different times, look at this block. What's it say? Repeat 3. You could also change it to whatever. But so if I grab this and put east in it, how many times would I go east? Well, boom, 3 times. Right? And you can run code above it. That's why there's a little notch. I can go north once, then the computer hits this and says, oh, I got to do this 3 times. We'll go east once, boop, bottom, zoop, twice, okay, zoop, 3 times. Once it's done, it would run code beneath it. Let's see where this gets us. Okay, and we're almost there. What's the one thing we got to do? Well, now we got to go south once. If we wanted to go south every time we went east, we'd put it here. We don't. We want to go east 3 times, then go south. So the loop goes east 3 times, falls beneath, and goes south once. Let's try. And notice now we only are using 5 out of 6 blocks. We're fancy. But we did it. Onward.